I'm Zorin.
And I'm Layla, and this is our app Pace.
We interviewed 25 students about what they struggled with academically. 52% said they struggled with procrastination and time management while trying to do work. 28% said they struggled with distractions while trying to do work. 16% said they struggled with getting the effort or motivation to do work, while 4% said that they struggled with remembering information and not having notes written down.
From our interviews, we concluded that more than half of the students struggle with time management, and we find that this is a problem that needs to be addressed. During almost a full semester in the CEL space, we use apps like Xcode and Adobe XD to create the all-in-one studying and time management app.
Our app offers a solution because of its study timers that use the pomodoro method, which is helpful for taking breaks and not overwhelming people. An organization calendar where you can put assignments and tasks that need to be completed and check them off.
An assignment list to keep your schoolwork organized, and it allows you to check off work as you go. And you can use our app to make individualized schedules for studying at the beginning of each week, with a specific amount of set time for yourself to study each day.
We plan to make Pace a free app targeted towards high school students who struggle with time management and studying.